binabati na may ngiti sa aking mga labi. Naghahanap ba kayo ng makakatuwang sa pagre-review ng inyong anak? Meron yan sa DepEd. Ang ETUlay online tutorial ay libre at handog ng ating kagawaran sa pangunguna ng OUA ICTS EdTech. Ito ay isang proyektong makatutulong sa mga mag-aaral, katuwang ang mga magulang o kasama sa kani-kanilang tahanan para masagutan at maunawaan ang mga modules. Hangad din ng programang ETUlay ang matulungan ang ating mga guro sa kanilang mga blended learning classes. Ang ating ETUlay ay mula kinder hanggang senior high school. Bukod sa academics, meron din tayong mga special programs gaya ng All is Wellness, Reading and Math Remediation, Storytelling, Mommy Tech Talks, Classes sa Gramatika, Speech Class, Financial Literacy, at marami pang iba. Pinalawig din ng ETUlay ang ating Alive program para sa mga mag-aaral mula grade 1 hanggang grade 3. Gayun din ay mayroon tayong ALS program at SPED tutorials na makasisigurong makakamit ng lahat ang inclusive education. May SPED hotline na rin para sa inyong mga katanungan patungkol sa special education. Kaya, subaybayan mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, mula 9:00 ng umaga hanggang 7:00 ng gabi ang ating ETUlay. Sa ating pagtutulungan, maiaangat natin ang bawat isa. Ating itutulay ang pagkatuto upang di mapigil ang pag-aaral ng kabataang Pilipino. Itulay natin ito, sulong edukalidad.
Mabuhay! Good day to all! I am your tutor Madge. Welcome to ETUlay, a free online tutorial, an initiative of the Department of Education, Information and Communications Technology Service, Educational Technology Unit, ICTS EdTech. This program is aimed at helping and assisting learners from kindergarten, senior high school, ALS, Alive, and SPED learners. Aside from answering the modules, the ETUlay is offering programs which you will surely look forward to. Together with our parents and teachers, the ETUlay will bridge the gaps where difficulty and ease meet in learning new knowledge and skills. So, let us prepare our modules, pen and paper. Ready your mind to see and hear worthwhile and interesting lessons. Let us now study and learn, together with our volunteer online tutors. Tara na!
Ayun, good afternoon everyone. Bago tayo magsimula, shout out muna po sa aming principal, Sir Marty de la Cruz, at sa lahat po ng kaguruan sa Congressman Chodolosi Natividad. Good afternoon to all. And good afternoon to all the students. Okay, so Samantha, Gaza, Caribbean, and sa teacher po ni, kay teacher sa Bohol si Teacher Rachel Villanueva. Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you for watching. And thank you for Janet and Alexandra. Thank you. And okay, so now I'm Tutor Jolie from SDO Malolos. Good afternoon to all. And kung ito po ay nasubaybayan nyo, okay po, pakishare muna sa inyong mga kaklase at kaibigan para lahat sila ay ating matutulungan. And ito po ay mapapanood nyo rin sa DepEd Educational Unit, DepEd tayo, Facebook, and then sa YouTube, DepEd Philippines, DepEd EdTech, DepEd TV po. Okay, so now, ngayon po ay nasa week 4 na tayo, quarter 4, which is algebraic expressions. Ang topic po natin this afternoon. And bago tayo magsimula, nais ko lang pasasalamatan ang SOC Surgeon Region sa pagpapahiram o pagpapagamit ng kanilang modules. Okay, so objectives for this afternoon. After going through this module, you are expected to, number 1, illustrate and differentiate related terms in algebra. For number 2, evaluate algebraic expressions for given values of the variable. So, what's new? Suppose numbers are assigned two letters of the alphabet as follows. We have A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4, and E is 5. Find the value of a name by adding the values of each digits. Okay, and so on up to Z, which is equals to 26. The first name, we have M, Mary, M for 13. I-add lang natin yung given value. We have, okay, yung M natin. So, we have, yung M natin is 13, yung A natin is 1, yung R natin, yung value niya is 18, and then ang Y natin is 25. Then, we're going to add all the given values. That is, if we're going to add, the answer is 57. Next. Okay, so again, we're going to find the value of a name by adding the values of its digits. Okay, the second name is A. So we have A stands for 1. Ang value niya is 1. C is 3. E is 5. Then you're going to add all the values. Okay, so ang makukuha natin is 9. Okay, what is the value of x plus 8 if x is equals to 3? So substitution tayo. We have x plus 8 is equals to, instead na x ang ilalagay natin, so ang value ni x, that is 3. 3 plus 8, then add the values, so makukuha natin is 11. Next one. What is the value of x raised to 2 minus 3 if x is equals to 2? So now, ang value ng x natin is 2. So substitution pa din tayo. So x raised to 2 minus 3 is equals to, instead na x ang ilalagay natin, so yung value ng x natin is 2. 2 raised to 2 minus 3. Then, okay, so that is, we're going to multiply by itself. Yung base natin is 2. So, 2 times 2, that is 4. Then, minus 3, nakuha natin si positive 1. Okay. So, yun. So, next, we're going to evaluate. So, x plus 2 over y minus 1. If x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. So, ang value, this time, ang value ng x natin is 1 and value ng y natin is 2. Again, substitution lang tayo, mga anak. So, we have x plus 2 over y minus 1. So, instead na x, again, yung value ni x natin is 1. 1 plus 2 over, ang value po ni y is 2. So, instead na y, ang ilalagay natin is 2. 2 minus 3. Then, after that, we're going to simplify. So, we have 1 plus 2, that is 3. Then, 2 minus 1, that is positive 1. So, i-divide natin. So, yung nakuha natin, so, 1 plus 2, that is 3. Then, 2 minus 1, that is 1. Then, after that, we're going to divide. Kaya nakuha po natin si 3. Yes, good afternoon, Alexandra. Yes, good afternoon to all. Let's continue. So, next, what is the value of, okay, so we have x, ang next equation natin, x raised to 3 plus 2x plus 1. if x is equals to negative 1, again, we're going to, substitution lang tayo. So, ang value ni x is, so ang value, remind ko lang, ang value ni x is negative 1. So, x raised to 3 plus 2x plus 1. So, instead na x, ang ilalagay natin yung value ni x, which is negative 1. So, negative 1 raised to 3 plus 2 times negative 1, kasi yun po yung value ni x, plus 1. Then after that, simplify lang natin. So, negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1, that is negative 1. Plus, the positive 2 multiplied to negative 1, the answer is negative 2 plus 1. Then after that, proceed to addition. Negative 1 plus negative 2, that is negative 3. Plus negative 1, the answer is negative 2. Terms in algebra. Positive integers exponent. An expression of the form of a raised to n where a is not equal to 0 and n is the degree of the expression or the exponent, which is a non-negative or positive integers. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so apat na beses natin inulit yung 2. Okay, so that is 2 raised to 4, which is yung 4 that will be our exponent and 2 serve as our base. Okay po, so we have, let's continue. Yes, thank you for watching De La Rosa from SDO Pampanga. Baroyo High School, SDO Pampanga. Yes, shout out kay teacher nila sa math, Ma'am Jessica Manalansan. Good afternoon. Thank you for watching. Mark from LFG Diamantina National High School from Isabela. And Diosa from, again, LFG Diamantina National High School, Grade 7 Hope. Altea, good afternoon. Okay, yes, good afternoon. Okay, so the answer then we have Pasqua from Ramon National High School. Good afternoon. And good afternoon to all. Okay, so let's continue. So we have terms in algebra, positive integers, positive exponent. So an expression of the n where a is not equals to 0 again. So we have x, tatlong beses natin inulit si x. So x, that will be our base, and then the 3 in the, so yung 3, that is the exponent. A positive integer exponent, a raised to n, where a is not equal to 0 and n is a positive integers. We have negative 5 raised to 3. So, ibig sabihin nun, tatlong beses lang natin ulitin yung base kasi ang exponent natin is 3. So, we have negative 5, negative 5, negative 5. So, that is negative 5 times negative 5, that is positive 25, times negative 5, we come up the final answer, negative 125. Next, example, we have, 1/2 raised to 2. So, ibig sabihin nun, i-multiply natin yung base natin ng dalawang beses. So, we have 1/2 times 1/2, that is positive 1/4. Okay, constant and variables. A symbols that represents an unknown number is referred to as a variable. We have x, y, a, alpha, beta, and theta. Constant and variables. A constant is a symbol which has exactly one number or a fixed value in its replacement set. So we have, so 4x raised to 2 minus 3y plus 2. We're going to identify the constant and the variables. Okay, so x and y is our variables. Then we have 2 is our constant. Next, little coefficients and numerical coefficients. The numerical factor of a term is called each numerical coefficient, or simply coefficient, and the variable factor of a term is called literal coefficient. And the variable factor of a term is called literal coefficient. Okay, so we have this is the blue one is our numerical coefficient, and then the yellow one is our literal coefficient. Algebraic expressions, terms, and polynomials. Algebra is a branch of mathematics which generalizes the facts of arithmetic, the result of combining symbols such as letters, numbers, punctuations, and operations of arithmetic is called an algebraic expression, or simply an expression. Okay, so thank you for the answer. Yes, Carabin. 1 po ang final answer. Yes, Althea, good afternoon. That is watching from, yes, again, LFPD Diamantina National High School, Cabanatuan, Isabela. Thank you sa mga nagsagot. Good afternoon to, okay, Jeneline. Good afternoon. Abigail. Good afternoon. Okay lang, sabi niya, good afternoon, sorry po late. Okay lang yun, anak. At least nakahabol ka. Yes, Carabin, thank you for the answer. Alexandra, Crystal. Okay, thank you sa sagot. So, we have next, we're going to continue algebraic expression terms and polynomials. Examples of algebraic expressions. We have 7, 3x, 2xy raised to 2, square root of 5ab, cube root of 27xy. X raised to 2 plus xy. Okay, again, x raised to 2 over xy plus 3xy, and 1/2 times quantity of x plus 3 raised to 2. A term. A term is a constant or a variable or constants and variables multiplied together. We have 4, example, 4ab, negative 5x, 2xy raised to 2, 1/2 xyz, and 7a raised to 2, b raised to 3, c, d raised to 2. A polynomial is an algebraic expression that represents a sum of one or more terms containing whole number exponents on the algebra, on the variables. We have 4ab minus 2a, then quantity of 3x times quantity of 2xy raised to 2. And another one, quantity of x plus 3 over 2 plus 5xy over 3. Ito naman yung mga expression na hindi, not a polynomial. Okay, number 1, ito yung mga reason kung bakit. Its exponent is not a whole number or a variable. Okay, so we have 3x raised to negative 2 plus 1. And the other one, 5y raised to 1/3. And then 27x. Tandaan, not a polynomial. Ito yung mga i-consider natin kung bakit hindi po sila polynomial. Number 1, again, its exponent. It's not a whole number or a variable. Okay po? Then we have number 2. The variable is in the denominator. Okay, so denominator. So we have, ang sabi dito, number 2, the variable is in the denominator. We have the example, 2 over xy, then x plus y over z. Number 3, the variable is under the radical sign. So we have square root of 5ab. And then, fifth root of cb plus z raised to 4. Again, tandaan, not a polynomial. Number of terms, degree of the term, and degree of the polynomial. So we have 3x raised to 2 minus 4x plus 1. Has 3 terms. Bakit? Bibilangin natin. 1, 2, kasi si 3x raised to 2 is 1 term na po siya. Then 4x, another term. Then si 1, another term. Kaya, pag binilang po natin, 1, 2, 3, so we have 3 terms. Degree of polynomial natin is 2. Yun po yun, yung highest degree, that is our degree. So, degree is 2. The degree of a term is the sum of the exponents of the variables. The degree of polynomials is the highest degree among the terms. So, yung highest degree lang po yung kukunin po natin. Yes, 3. Thank you sa mga sagot. Yes, thank you, Alexandra, Samantha, Crystal, Eileen, Aliyah. Okay, Soriano, Athena Jane. Okay, so thank you. Yes, good afternoon po, watching from Bagnos Integrated School, Aurora, SDO Isabela. Thank you, Chriselle, for watching from Bagnos Integrated School, Aurora, SDO Isabela. Then for Alea from Ramon National High School. Okay po, thank you for watching. And Marjon for Baroyo High School, SDO Pampanga. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all. Let's continue. Okay, kind of polynomial according to the number of terms. So kinds of polynomial, we have monomial, binomial, trinomial, and multinomial. The number of terms, sa monomial natin, meron tayong isang term. Pag sinabi nating binomial, dalawang term. Pag sinabing trinomial, 3 terms, and multinomial, more than, 3 terms. That is 4 or more terms. So ito po yung mga example natin. If we say monomial, isang term lang. So 3xy, 2a raised to 3, and 3ac over 5. Pag sinabing binomial, from the word by, ibig sabihin dalawa, so we have 4a plus 3. Trinomial, so tatlo yan, 3x raised to 5 plus x raised to 2 minus 7. If we say multinomial, more than 4 or more terms. So 5x, ito yung example natin, 5xy raised to 5, then minus x raised to 2y plus x raised to 3y raised to 2 minus 4y minus 8. So, let's see. Tingnan natin. Okay, 5. Ano siya? Number of terms natin, constant siya. Then, degree niya, 0. Si 5 ha, constant yan. Okay, another one. We have, 5xy. Yung number of terms, 1. Degree natin is 2. We have number of terms, another one, 5x raised to 3 plus 1. So, ang sabi doon, highest degree natin has a number of terms, 1, 2. So that is 2. Then the degree natin is 3. Ito po yun. Okay, next one. Y raised to 5 minus 2y raised to 4 plus 3y plus 7. So number of terms natin is 4. Then, degree natin is 5. Highest po, okay? So, yung highest degree natin is 5. So, yun po yung degree natin. Magsaserve as degree natin. Okay, next one. Evaluating an algebraic expression. Okay, steps to follow in evaluating algebraic expressions. Number 1, ito yung mga steps natin to evaluate. Substitute the given values for each variable. Number 2, simplify first the expression within the parentheses. Number 3, perform all indicated operations and simplify the result. Ito po yung mga steps natin na dapat nating tandaan to evaluate the algebraic expressions. Okay, so the first one, x plus 3y if x is 2 and y is negative 1. Again, okay, substitute natin. Substitution tayo. So, ang value ng x natin is 2 and value ng y natin is negative 1. So, we have x plus 3y is equals to, instead na x, ang ilalagay natin si 2, then plus 3, ang value ng y natin is negative 1. Then after that, we're going to simplify. So we have 2 plus 3 times negative 1, that is negative 3. So 2 minus 3, that is negative 1. Why it is negative 1, mga anak? Okay, so dahil ito, okay, addition tayo, so change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition, kaya naging negative 1. Mas malaki po kasi si negative 3, kaya yung sign po niya ang kakopy natin. Then, next one, x raised to 3 minus 4. If x is negative 1, again, substitution tayo. Then after that, simplify natin. We have, okay, so negative 3. So we have negative 3 raised to 3. So then, so 3 times, okay, so that is, so 3 minus 1. So that is 1 minus 4. Okay, so that is negative 1 plus 3 minus 4. So answer is negative 2. Okay, the next one, tell whether each polynomial is a monomial. Pag monomial, ang ilalagay natin is m. Binomial, ang ilalagay natin is b. Then trinomial, ang ilalagay natin is t. Or polynomial, multinomial, ang ilalagay po natin is mt. Okay, sige nga, try natin mga anak. Okay, so Mendoza listening from Diamantina National High School. Yes, thank you for listening. Watching from Ramon National High School. Thank you for watching. Vinoya, thank you. Mary Joy, yes. Akisha, thank you from, okay, Caribbean, yes. Mono means one. Yes, anak, thank you. From the word mono. Thank you, Caribbean. So, Samantha, yes, thank you for the answers. Yes, mas malaki po yung negative 3 kaysa sa 2. Yes, thank you. Kaya, ang sign po ng negative 3. Exactly, sign ng negative 3 ang ikakopy natin. So, next one. So, next one naman. Okay, sige nga. Paki-chat po sa chat box natin. Try ko lang. Try natin kung talagang nakikinig, mga anak. Again, ang instruction natin. Tell whether each polynomial is a monomial. M lang po ang ilalagay. Pag binomial, B lang. Pag trinomial, T, or multinomial, MT. So, for the number 1, 3x. Ano kaya ang sagot for 3x? Yes, may answer na po si Jercel, si Alexandra, si Kate, si Kerubin. Yes, thank you for the answer. Exactly, the answer is M. That is monomial kasi isang term lang po siya. How about number 2? 12x plus 3y minus 1. Sige nga. Thank you. Yes, the answer for number 1 is monomial. How about number 2, mga anak? Yes, Anika, thank you, monomial. Yes, may nagsagot na, Jercel. T? Okay, that is, okay, so, yes, Samantha, thank you for the answer. Abigail, thank you. Ashley, yes, Gaza. Carabin, thank you for the answer. Yes, the answer is, how about number, yes, the answer for number 2 is trinomial. Bakit trinomial? We have 3 terms. 2x plus 3y minus 1. Kaya kung bibilangin natin, we have 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. How about number 3, mga anak? 5y minus 1. 5y minus 1. O, may sagot na si Janet, si Samantha, si Abigail. Okay, so Gaza, may sagot na rin? Yes. Ano kaya ang sagot? Tingnan natin. So, we have 5y minus 1 is binomial. Okay, watching. Saan yun? So, yes, Luis. Thank you for watching. Yes, watching and listening from Luis F. Gomez, Jamantina National High School. Thank you, Chudoro, for listening. Okay, so sa mga nagsagot, yes, exactly, the answer is B. That is binomial. Okay, for 1 is M. Tama kayo. Number 2 is T. Tama din kayo. And number 3 is 5y. Okay, 5y minus 1, that is B. Kasi terms lang tayo. So we have 5y minus 1. Okay, try natin to. Find the values of the algebraic expressions below. If z is equals to 2. So ang value ng z natin is 2. Choose the letters of the correct answer. So ito naman. So we have, instead na z, ang ilalagay po natin yung value ni z, that is 2. So 1 plus 2. Ano ang sagot, mga anak? Ano kaya ang sagot? What is the answer? Thank you for the nice answer. Very good, mga anak, sa tamang sagot. Okay, next tayo. Okay, so i-simplify natin. 1 plus z, instead na z, yung value ni z natin is 2. Ano kaya ang sagot? Sige po, 1 plus 2 is? Sige nga, antayin ko yung mga sagot. Yes, okay. So, meron na, may sagot na rin. Okay, H daw. So, let's try. Okay, yes, the answer is 3. Kasi, 1 plus 2, that is 3. That is H. How about this one? Okay, may sagot na pala. So, Z, that is 2. Minus 2, the answer is 0. Thank you. Tama po lahat ang sagot nyo, mga anak. Thank you. Ang bibilis. Okay po. So, the answer is 0 kasi 2 minus 2, that is 0. How about this one? Okay. So, we have, okay, so 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. Okay po. I-divide lang natin. Thank you sa sagot. Okay, ang bibilis magsagot. Nakikinig talaga. Thank you for a nice answer. Okay, how about this one? Negative 7z over 2. Ano kaya ang sagot? Okay, so mamimili tayo din kung ano po yung sagot. Okay, so negative 7z over 2. Okay, F. F kaya ang sagot? Tingnan natin. Okay, so we have Jerzel. Meron ng sagot. So, F, Carabin, yes, thank you. Janet, A, try natin. Okay, so A. Kasi, negative 7 instead of Z is 2. Negative 7 times 2, that is negative 14. Then, i-divide natin sa 2. So, ang sagot natin is negative 7. That is A. How about this one? 4 minus 3Z. Okay, so ano ang sagot? Tingnan natin. Okay, so we have C, that is negative 2. Substitute lang natin 4 minus 3 times 2. So 4 minus 3, 3 times 2, that is 6. Diba? Negative 6. Then, negative 6 minus 4, that is negative 2. Next one, ay, wait. Okay, so next one we have, okay. So we have, okay, so balik tayo. Okay, so that is the answer, 0. Then we have negative, okay, 1. Then for that is negative 7. So we have, so C is negative 2. Wait lang. So nagkulang. Okay. So tingnan natin yung mga sagot nyo. Okay, so we have, so Gabriel, Carabin, Alexandra, Patricia, Abigail. Okay, so we have, okay, Samantha, 5 over 5. Okay, 5 over 5. Saan po yun, anak? Why it is 5 over 5? Okay, so Z, so C. Okay, so we have, the answer is F. Good afternoon, watching from, yes, Jessica, good afternoon, watching from Bagnos Integrated School. Okay, so 5 over 5, that is 1. Yes, exactly. Okay, so F. So 1, F. Okay, Carabin, Marjon, Jas. Okay, so we have, okay, Samantha, thank you for the answer. And then Janet. Okay, so another. So Ashley, Kate, David, thank you. Manalansan, thank you for the answer. Then, okay, Abigail. Alexandra, Krisha, thank you. Okay, so Carabin ulit, Alexandra. Okay, Gaza, thank you sa sagot. Ang gagaling nyo. Okay po, namimiss ko kayo. So kasi, last week, ang kasama nyo, diba, si Tutor Rose Ann. Si Tutor Rose Ann ang naging kasama nyo last week. Okay, so, then we have, okay, Lapus, okay, Jaslyn. Okay, thank you sa sagot. Okay, so, Alea, thank you sa sagot. Abigail, Carubin, Marjon, late ang dating. Okay lang po yan kasi lahat naman tayo lumalaban para sa internet. Okay, sa signal natin. So, good afternoon, watching from Bagnos Integrated School. Yes, thank you for watching. And, okay, thank you, Marjon, Samantha. Okay, Alea. Tama po lahat ang sagot. Ibig sabihin nun, nasusundan nyo yung topic natin. Isa pa, pag ito po, okay, so mga anak, pag ito po ay nakaligtaan ninyo, pwede nyo po ito mapanood sa TV, sa IBC 13 po. So yung time po natin doon ay 11 to 12. Okay po. So, mapapanood nyo rin doon. So, kung kayo po ay absent sa live natin, so doon po is babalikan nyo lang. So, babalikan nyo, then pwede nyo rin mapanood sa YouTube natin at saka sa Facebook. Lahat po yan. Pag kayo is absent dito, pwede po nyo mapapanood yon para mabalikan nyo, ma-review nyo ulit. Pag ito po, yung topic natin is nakakalimutan nyo. Okay po, so yun dahil malilito kayo doon sa, again, doon sa subtraction, pero ang gagawin nyo lang, okay po, sa subtraction natin ng integers, okay, i-change natin yung sign ng subtrahend, then proceed to addition. Huwag po kalimutan kasi yung iba, dire-diretso again, hindi dapat mini-memorize, tandaan nyo lang po yung mga process po. Para naman sa ganon, makakasunod kayo mga anak. Thank you again, thank you sa sagot. Okay, pasensya na late. So, si 5/5. Yes po, 5/5. Okay, so Janet. Okay, thank you. Wow. Carobin, may paganyan siya. Thank you, anak. So, Mark from Cabanatuan Senior High School from grade 7. So, Cabanatuan, ito po ay Kabanatuan po, hindi from Diamantina National High School. Ang nakakabanatuan lang po. Kasi, okay, so lovely, good afternoon. So, watching from, yes, thank you, lovely. Watching from Bagnos Integrated School. Okay, so, okay, Janet. Okay, so we're celebrating. We got 5 out of 5. Yes, very good, anak. So, yun. So, may paklap pa. Yes, so perfect. Tama. Tama po yung mga score nyo. Perfect. Okay, so, Alea, good afternoon po. Watching from Ramon National High School. Okay, so, okay. So, Sainid, thank you sa'yo si Carobin. So, thank you daw. Alam mo na yan. Okay, so, lovely Joyce. Okay, watching from, again, okay, so, ang dami na nating Bagnos National High School and Baroyo at saka Diamantina National High School po. So, yun po yung galing from Isabela po na eskwelahan. So, Carobin, thank you po. Yes, anak, thank you din. Marami na naman akong Yes, thank you, Carobin. Yes, pwede mo rin sa, okay, so, pag merong tanong, pwede din po i-PM ako. Pwede din magtanong if gusto nyo po. Okay, so, sumasagot ako. Yes, Gaza, yes, anak, una yung I ng pangalan ni Tutor Jolie. Okay po. So, yes, again, okay, lovely, thank you. Yes, Samantha, thank you, thank you. Magaling po magturo mga tutors natin. Yes, thank you po. Lahat tayo sama-sama at magtutulungan po. And then, so, that's it. So, salamat. At ngayon, ito po ay mag-join. Kasi dito po mapapanood nyo again, ang sabi ko nga sa inyo, remind ko lang, yung ETUlay po talagang makakatulong sa inyo, hindi lang sa inyo, pati sa mga kapatid nyo, kaibigan, kaklase nyo. Okay po, so ito po yung mga tutors natin. So, hindi lang si Tutor Jolie ang papanoorin o susubaybayan. Pakisabi din sa iba po na meron din pong grade 8, grade 9, and then grade 10 po. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And again, paki-share po sa mga kaklase at kaibigan nyo para lahat naman sila matutulungan natin. Okay, see you next Friday. And once again, good afternoon. Okay, so salamat din sa lahat. Okay, so salamat. Patricia, Samantha, okay, thank you. Bye! See you next Friday. Okay po. Yun po. Okay. Salamat sa lahat. Salamat sa patuloy na pagsubaybay at matutulungan kayo natin at maitatawid natin ang 2021-2022. Okay po. So, yan po. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
Ang husay naman! Natapos mo ang iyong tutorial session kasama ang iyong mahusay na ETUlay tutor. May bago ka bang natutunan? I-share na yan gamit ang hashtag #ETUlayLevelUp. Huwag aalis ha dahil may susunod pang programa na pwede mo ring panoorin at salihan dahil naghihintay na ang iyong mga tutors. Happy learning dito sa ETUlay!